This is a 1974 Buick Century Luxus. Colonnade is the name for this particular configuration. The maroon with a kind of cream colored vinyl top happens to be for sale, and some modifications have been made. First of all, the wheels, as you can see, like they're American racing. And there is a listing of changes in the windshield there. We'll get to in a minute. Overall, it looks in pretty nice shape. And there is the name Luxus. And notice how close that is to Lexus, Toyota's premier model. Do believe it's a bench seat with fold-down armrest. And here are the modifications, and you'll notice that the engine has been changed. It was a 350 and now it's a 455, so the and the transmission has been changed too, I believe, with the stall converter and the whole deal there. So this car should move pretty good, I would imagine. Yeah. So at any rate, it's pretty neat the way they have that outlined there. And so not too many of these were sold. And I had forgotten the name Luxus, L-U-X-U-S. But sure enough, that's what this was. Luxus Colonnade. The base price was $4,089 back in the day. Which made it fairly expensive. Now looking at the back end, you see that the filler between the bumper and the taillights is missing on the left side. They had a tendency to fall apart over time. That wasn't the greatest of materials, and the exposure to the sun really didn't help. Overall, very nice lines for this car. Too bad the window isn't down so you get a better view, but there you get a fair view of the seat at least. That's a nice car.